So you're looking to jump into Mostbet in 2026, and you want to make sure you get the absolute best start possible, right? Well, you've come to the right place. We are going to break down exactly how to use one specific promo code, that's MOSTGO, to unlock a fantastic welcome offer. Let's dive right in.
I mean, that's the whole point, isn't it? It's not just about signing up, it's about starting off on the right foot with a real advantage. And the answer to that question really begins with a couple of very exciting numbers.
First up, you're looking at a 150% match on your very first deposit. Just think about that. Whatever amount you decide to start with, the platform more than doubles it, giving you a massive head start right out of the gate.
And it doesn't stop there. On top of that huge deposit match, you also get 250 free spins to check out the casino side of things. So you're getting a major boost for both sports and for slots.
Okay, but here is the single most important thing you need to take away from this whole explainer. None of this happens by default. This special dual offer is only unlocked if you use one specific promo code when you register, MOSTGO.
So, here's our roadmap. First, we'll dig into what this code actually is. Then, I'll walk you through the registration, step by step. After that, we'll cover how to activate and use your bonus, some really important tips on playing safe, and even what perks you can expect down the line.
All right, let's start with the basics. What exactly is this code? And more importantly, how does it actually trigger this bigger, better offer for you?
The easiest way to think about the MOSTGO code is that it's like a special key for your account. When you enter it during sign-up, you're essentially raising a flag and telling the system, hey, I'm here for the special 2026 package with the 150% bonus and the 250 spins. If you skip this, you'll just get the standard, smaller offer. It's really that crucial.
Okay, let's get practical. Where and when do you actually type this code in? Let's walk through the exact process so there's no confusion.
It's a super straightforward four-step process. First, you'll pick how you want to sign up. Second, you'll spot the little box that says promo code. Then, step 3, the big one. You enter MOSTGO. And finally, you just fill out the rest of the details to create your account. Simple as that.
And what's really convenient here is the flexibility. It seriously doesn't matter which way you choose to register. Whether it's the lightning-fast one-click option, using your phone number, your email, or even a social media account, all of them have that essential promo code field. Your only job is to remember to find it and fill it in.
Okay, so you've registered and you've used the code. Awesome. But you're not done yet. The next step is to actually bring that bonus to life, and that is tied directly to your first deposit.
Now, you really want to pay close attention to this tip because it is extremely time-sensitive. To get that full 150% match, you need to make your first deposit within 1 hour, just 60 minutes of creating your account. If you wait any longer than that, the bonus percentage actually drops. So you want to be ready to go as soon as you've signed up.
And for that all-important first deposit, you have plenty of secure options. The platform takes everything from standard bank cards to a whole range of e-wallets, and even over 20 different cryptocurrencies, so you can be sure you'll find a method that works for you. All right, the money is in your account, the free spins are there. Now for the fun part. How do you actually use them? This is where it's super important to understand that the rules for the sports side and the casino side are a little different. The main thing to remember is that you're getting two separate goodies here. That 150% bonus cash is for betting on sports. The 250 free spins are strictly for the casino slots. You can't use your spins on sports, and you can't use the bonus cash on slots. They each have their own playground and their own set of rules. For the sports bonus, you'll need to place what are called accumulator bets. Now that might sound complicated, but it just means a single bet that combines a few different predictions. As you can see, each accumulator you make needs to have at least 3 events in it. And each of those events needs to have odds of 1.40 or higher. The good news is you can track your progress really easily right in your account dashboard.
Now for those free spins. You don't get all 250 dumped on you at once. They're actually released in daily batches over 5 days. This is great because it lets you explore different high-quality slot games. And of course, these are all governed by certified random number generators so you know it's fair. Any winnings you get from those spins go into a separate bonus balance.
Let's shift gears for a minute to a topic that is absolutely crucial, making sure you're using the platform in a way that's safe, secure, and responsible.
You know, this quote directly from the platform's disclaimer really hits the nail on the head. It is so important to always remember that this is a form of entertainment that involves risk, and personal responsibility is everything.
And here is a rule that is completely non-negotiable. You must be 18 years old or older to play.
This is strictly enforced with no exceptions. Before you go to make your first big withdrawal, you'll be asked to complete a process called KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. Now, don't look at this as a hassle. It's actually a standard security procedure that's there to protect you. It verifies your identity, secures your account, and makes sure the platform is complying with international law.
The value of using that MOSTGO code doesn't just stop once you've used up the welcome bonus. It also plays a part in the platform's long-term benefits and loyalty program.
See, there's a loyalty program that rewards you with things like cashback and personalized bonuses just for being an active user. And what's really interesting is that starting with that bigger, enhanced offer from the MOSTGO code can actually help you progress through the loyalty tiers a bit faster, unlocking all those ongoing perks sooner.
And there you have it. That is the complete playbook for maximizing your start on Mostbet in 2026. You've got the key, the MOSTGO code. You know the time limits, and you understand the rules. The only question left is, now that you have this head start, how will you use it responsibly to make the most of your experience?